The biggest difference between Arro and Mission Lane in 2026 is cost structure. Arro uses a monthly membership model, while Mission Lane works like a traditional unsecured credit card with possible annual fees depending on your offer. That changes how expensive each card feels over time. By the end of this, you'll know which card is easier to get, which costs less long-term, and which makes more sense for building credit. Here's the direct answer. If you want simpler pricing and a more traditional card, Mission Lane usually makes more sense. If you have little or no credit and want more approval flexibility, Arro Finance can be the easier starting point. That's the quick answer. Section 1. Cost. Arro charges through a recurring membership. That means you're paying every month to keep the card and its built-in money tools. That adds up. Mission Lane doesn't use subscriptions. Instead, some offers come with no annual fee, while others may include one depending on credit profile. That's important because your actual cost can vary. But in most cases, Mission Lane is easier to understand. One card, one fee structure. No subscription layer. Section 2. Approval. Arro is designed for people with thin credit files. It focuses heavily on banking activity and income flow. That can help if your score is weak or non-existent. Mission Lane also targets fair and rebuilding credit, but it still leans more on traditional credit factors. That makes Arro feel more beginner-friendly. If getting approved is your top concern, Arro often has the edge. Section 3. Long-term use. This is where Mission Lane usually pulls ahead. It works like a standard unsecured credit card. That means you can keep it longer without feeling like you're paying for extra tools you may not need. Mission Lane also reports to major credit bureaus, which helps with score building. Arro does too. But the monthly membership can feel less valuable once your credit improves. That's the big trade-off. Quick recap. Arro can be easier to qualify for. Mission Lane is usually simpler and more practical long-term. Arro works better as a starting point. Mission Lane works better if you want a normal credit card experience. Your next step is simple. Check your approval odds first, then compare the actual fee offer before applying. If this helped you compare the real costs and benefits faster, like the video and subscribe.